Rich tributes are being paid to Assam's cultural icon Roop Kaur Jyoti Prasad Agarwala on his 72nd death anniversary, which is observed as Shilpi Divas in the state. Like every year, elaborate arrangements have been made across Assam to celebrate this day in a befitting manner. Meanwhile, the All Assam Students Union have organized several programs in Mongoldoi on the occasion of Shilpi Divas. In North Guwahati, students performed Jyoti Sangeet on the occasion of Shilpi Divas.
আজি শিল্পী দিৱস ৰূপকোঁৱৰ জ্যোতি প্ৰসাদ আগৰৱালা দেৱৰ মৃত্যু দিৱসত আমি ৰাগশ্ৰী সংগীত মহাবিদ্যালয়ৰ তৰফৰ পৰা তেখেতক ইতে মাতে শ্ৰদ্ধাঞ্জলি জনাইছোঁ আৰু মোৰ লগত সহযোগ কৰিছে আমাৰ ৰাগশ্ৰী সংগীত মহাবিদ্যালয়ৰ অভিভাৱকসকলে।